Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you about letter writing, and this is a formal letter to the editor, and this letter contains 8 marks. So the very first thing what we have to keep in our mind before writing a letter, the very first we will mention the sender's address. Sender's address means who is writing the letter, and you have to keep one thing in your mind, that the address should not be more than 3 lines. After writing the sender's address, you will leave one line blank. After that you will mention the date. This is the format of date. If you write the date in this format 10/02/2020, then this is the wrong format. The correct format for writing the date is 13 July 2020. This is the format. Date, month and the year. After that you will mention the receiver's address, means to whom the letter is being written. So very first we mention the sender's address, B18/4 Sector 9 Lucknow. You will mention the same address which is mentioned in your question paper. If there is no address, you can write the sender's address yourself. Second thing, after that you will leave a line, then you will mention the date. Third thing, to whom the letter is being sent, means the receiver's address. If this is not mentioned in the question paper, you can mention this yourself, and this is the format for mentioning the receiver's address. Now the second and most important thing. Before, what we used to do, the subject comes before and then we used to write the dear sir. But now this is the new format. According to this new format, dear sir will come first and then you will write subject. Dear sir, subject. Suppose we take any subject, sanitation problems in locality. The subject should be in 4 to 6 words, not more than that. So this is our subject, sanitation problems in locality. First sender's address, then the date, then receiver's address, then dear sir, then subject, and then we will go through the body of the letter. These 3 lines you have to keep in your mind, and you will write in every formal letter which is being written. That is what, through the esteemed columns of your newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards the sanitation problems in our locality. So there will be no change in this line, only there will be change in the subject. Suppose here may be the subject maintenance of roads, increasing crimes, or frequent breakdown of electricity in your locality. The subject may get changed here, but the line which is I wrote here, through the esteemed columns of your newspaper, till here it will be same. You have to learn these lines. After that you will come to the body of the letter. Body of the letter means you will describe about your problems. What are the sanitation problems, overflow of the water, sewer lines, pits, whatever is there. The body of the letter will be in 1 to 2 paras. The description of the problems you will write in 1 to 2 paras. And after that, if you publish this in your newspaper, so authorities will come to know gravity of matter. And I hope some measures will be adopted to the above mentioned problems. Means this you are writing, these lines will also not get changed. You have to keep in mind these starting lines, and these are the ending lines. In the middle, the body part, you can write yourself. What are the problems, you can mention in your own words. And at the last, after writing this, yours truly or sincerely, you can use any of them, no problem. And then the name. So this is the format of letter writing, a formal letter which is being written to the editor. So I told you the format, and if you follow the same format, you will get the full marks in your examination. And that's, I told you already, the letter writing carries of 8 marks in your examination. Now I told you the format. You will write the body of the letter and prepare this letter. And if you have any doubts regarding this letter writing, You can give your feedback and I could try to solve out your doubts, whichever you have. Once more I go for the revision. Sender's address in 3 lines, then the date, this is the format, then the receiver's address, and the most important thing, this is the most important. If you don't follow this format, your 2 marks will get cutted. So first of all, dear sir will come, and after that you will write the subject. Keep this thing in your mind very clearly. And then these lines you have to learn, keep in your mind. These are the starting lines and these are the ending lines. This will be same. I hope some measures will be adopted to the above mentioned problems, and whatever your problems are here. Suppose there are sanitation problems, then sanitation. Frequent breakdown of electricity, you can write that. Sewer problems, whatever is there, that will be here your subject. And at the last, yours truly or sincerely you can use, or faithfully, whatever, then the name. So I think you understood the letter writing, and you can write a letter to the editor very easily.